Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Ankeny, local and long distance movers near me. Regardless of the location, a move that is more than 100 miles or across the state lines is considered a long distance move. Therefore, a long distance move can be within the state you're in, state nearby, or even across the nation. Considering and planning such a move will be nerve-wracking. This does not have to be the case, however. When the right Ankeny movers are engaged to help, everything moves fairly smoothly. The staff at 3 Movers creates a friendly, stress-free environment, and we value your satisfaction and therefore offer safe transportation for your belongings at unbeatable prices. If you need to move across town, within the state, or across the state, as long as the distance is less than 100 miles, what you need is a local mover. 3 Movers offers local moving services in Ankeny. Even such a relatively short distance move can be cumbersome considering all the belongings that may need to be transferred to a new location. This is why most people opt for a moving company to help them out. The services we provide are efficient and affordable in comparison to other movers in Ankeny. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ankeny moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.